Meet Mr. Fluff, a distinguished gentleman of leisure. But today, his peaceful existence is shattered. He has discovered the forbidden red dot. Quate, acquired, threat level, maximum, confidence level, 100%, actual coordination level. Let's just say it's a work in progress. And here we go. He prepares for the pounce, a coiled spring of feline fury. He jumps, he soars, he flies through the air like a majestic being. Oh, nope. He lands like a sack of potatoes. A valiant effort, truly. Now, the classic move, act casual. He'll just sit here and groom himself, as if we all didn't just witness that spectacular failure. Nothing to see here, folks. It's just a cat doing cat things. He walks away with his head held high, dignity mostly intact. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching.